Hello, this is Bob, and what I'd like to do is give a quick demonstration of how you can use an AlphaSmart NEO 2 with an AlphaSmart Renaissance receiver in order to transmit files wirelessly from the NEO 2 to your computer. So let's turn on the AlphaSmart. And it's defaulted to opening up file number 1, which is just a simple bit of test text. So what I'm going to do now is switch to my Windows 7 desktop computer, and I'm going to turn on picture-in-picture so you can see what's happening. So what I'm going to do now is start the NEO Share software on my computer. And what I'm going to do now is press the command and the send button. When it's doing that, it's searching for the Renaissance receiver that I showed you earlier. It's found it, so I'm going to press enter to select it. It's connected to the Renaissance receiver. It's giving me two choices. One is NEO Share and one is Google Docs. NEO Share is to connect to the application that I have on the computer, and Google Docs would be a connection to Google Docs. So I'm going to keep it on NEO Share and press enter. And now what it's doing is saying, type a file name and press enter to send. The way I have NEO Share configured, I have to give it a file name. It can't be not named. So I'll just call it test send file 001. Press enter. And you can see over here in NEO Share that shows files received. I'm going to click to place a check mark next to test send file 001.txt and save that file to the desktop. And what it does is it creates a folder, NEO Share, with today's date. And let's minimize that. With the text file. And there's the contents of my text file. So that's sending a file via the AlphaSmart NEO 2 and the Renaissance receiver to the NEO Share software. I'm going to press enter to continue. And now the NEO is back in its original state. That's the end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.